In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment method on TikTok Shop. First, open the TikTok app on your device and sign into your account. This is the first crucial step because you need to access your account for any changes. When you open the app, you will see the familiar TikTok interface with various options available. Signing in ensures that you have access to all your personalized settings and features. If you are already logged in, you can skip this step. However, if you are not, enter your username and password. This process is straightforward, and you will be ready to proceed shortly. Next, tap the shop icon located in the lower tab menu next to the home icon. The shop icon is usually represented by a shopping bag symbol. This step is essential because it takes you directly to the shopping section of TikTok, where you can manage your purchases and payment settings. Once you tap the shop icon, you will see various options related to shopping, including your order history and payment methods. This area is specifically designed for all your shopping needs on TikTok, making it easier to navigate and manage. From there, tap the menu icon, which is represented by three horizontal lines in the upper right corner of the screen. This menu contains important settings related to your TikTok Shop account. By tapping it, you will gain access to various options, including payment settings, order management, and account information. It is a small but significant step that allows you to customize your shopping experience. Once you tap this icon, you will see a list of options and you are one step closer to changing your payment method. Now select the payment option from the menu that appears. This is a crucial part of the process because you need to access your current payment settings. When you select payment, you will see your existing payment methods, including your TikTok Shop balance and any other payment options you may have added. This step is important because it allows you to review and manage how you pay for your TikTok Shop purchases. Understanding your current payment setup will help you make informed changes. Usually, the primary payment method is your TikTok Shop balance. This means that any purchases you make will be deducted from this balance first. If you prefer to use a different payment method, you will need to add or select it. This setup is designed to be convenient, but it's essential to ensure that your preferred payment method is set for ease of use. Knowing where your funds are coming from helps manage your spending better and ensures a smooth checkout experience. If you already added a new payment method such as Maya, bank account, or credit or debit card, tap it in the Other Saved Methods. This step allows you to choose from different options you have previously saved. Highlighting an alternative payment method is crucial because it gives you flexibility in how you want to pay. It's always good to have multiple options so you can select what works best for you at any given moment. Once you tap on the desired payment method, you will be ready for the next step. Select Set as Primary, which is indicated by the star icon. This action ensures that the chosen payment method will be your default for future purchases. Setting a primary payment method helps streamline the checkout process, saving you time and effort later on. Once you complete this step, you will see a confirmation that your changes have been saved, giving you peace of mind that your new settings are effective. Lastly, if you subscribe to TikTok services or connected a third-party payment provider such as PayPal or Venmo, you may need to remove or update the payment method from that provider's own settings instead. This is an important note because managing third-party services can sometimes be separate from the TikTok app itself. Ensuring that all your settings are consistent across platforms prevents any payment issues in the future. Once you handle this, you will have successfully updated your payment preferences on TikTok Shop.